Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's Model Rock 321. Today I received the Estes, the new catalog. I haven't seen it in person yet. I think I've seen a few things online, so this is new for me. I'm a little late. Normally I get them right away, and I'm able to, go through them and show them to you guys. I guess it goes this way. Which way they got this thing? And I'm able to do a quick, walkthrough of the new stuff that's coming. I'm late this year, but I'm going to take a quick little thumb through for myself, and I'll show some of the stuff. All right, so here we got the cover. Estes Ignite the Imagination 2024. We got the Saturn V Space Shuttle and the Falcon 9, all of their new releases for this year, and I think in the last year when the SpaceX came out. I'm just going to do a quick little run through. I think I've seen most of the stuff that's in here by now, as have you. And here are the minis. This is why I'm so proud of seeing those minis, because I didn't see the catalog for the most part. So here's the Mini Alpha, and there's the Mini Big Bertha. So these are kind of introducing some new stuff. That's kind of cool, the Mini Max, and they got the Star Hopper set. But yeah, I missed the Mini Max when it came out before, so this would be kind of cool. It actually has an engine hook too, so that's don't have no retainer like the other ones. But yeah, just wanted to just take a quick little look at this and get one, because I didn't have one. So now I have the 2024 catalog. This is that new Pro Series launch pad, kind of like a spatula type deal and a tripod. So a couple new things. Some of their scale. Saturn V's in there again. So yes, well, I guess a lot of people didn't know Saturn V with 29 millimeters is in the new catalog. I didn't hear anything about it until I saw the ad in Sport Rocketry. So all this is kind of like old but new to me. This is new to me to see Saturn V being redone with the with 29 with big engines, E16 and F15. Those are 29 millimeters for 1/100 scale. So yeah, they're definitely releasing some stuff here. And then even the Skylab version has a 29 millimeter motor mount. So yeah, they finally came around and they got that done right. Yeah, nice group of scale kits. Blue Origin. I'm still debating on getting one of these and flying them, just because it's scale. Never really. I like Blue Origin, but the Shepherd did look. I don't know. Just never really was into it that much. The Space Shuttle, cool release. Cool release there. But yeah, anything in the sports section, I'm pretty sure I'm missing some. All right, so the Mini Arcus is right there. I have one of these Intruders. I got to get that built. I got to get some of the sci-fi stuff built. I got to get some of that stuff built. Big Bertha. So yeah, other than this catalog, I wanted to go through really quick. I have an unboxing right here. This is an eBay purchase. This is a rocket I don't recall seeing by Estes in the catalogs anywhere. It's kind of was a surprise. I'm like, wow, how did that one get by me? I don't recall seeing this one. I don't even know when it came out. I don't know when it was released. So let's take a quick look at this. I saw it on eBay and I was like, you know what, that is a cool looking rocket that I missed. So let me go on, and the guy he had it up for auction and for sale. Nobody was buying it. Nobody was making a move on it. So I went on and I asked him, would you take such and such amount of dollars for it, way below his buy price? Not way below, but definitely below his buy price. And he said, sure. So it is the JBR 013. I just thought it was a cool looking rocket. I like those fins. It's just cool looking rocket. I like that cone, like the Black Brant's nose cone. Flies to 775 feet. C67. So it's the biggest engine you can fly on there. Yeah, cool looking rocket. Not nice size body too, like a BT-50 or so, 55 maybe, something like that. Yeah, it just looks like a cool looking rocket. Cool looking weekend flying rocket. I like the decals and the fins. So I just wanted to show you guys these two things, the catalog and the JBR 013 is a futuristic sport model. Cool looking. Cool. I may paint mine silver. I think this in silver will look really nice. Silver, keep everything else. Do the black cone, silver body, and do the fins. Leave the decals as is. Is that 4 fins? I wanted 3 fins or 4 fins. I'm wondering. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I think that's 4 fins. Is that 4 fins? Yeah, I believe it's 4 fins. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see the little bar back there. I should have seen that. But yeah, so that's what I got. Skill level 2. Cool looking rocket. Don't know when it came out. what year? 2012, 2013. Wow, it's that old. Yeah, 2013 is on this stamp, February 28th, 2013. So it's out of production, but a really nice looking rocket, cool rocket. So this is one that I will definitely be trying to get built. Have some stuff ahead of it right now. One of the things I have ahead of it is Saturn 1B. Has like maybe one coat of primers on there. I've been sanding and filling, so it's getting that feel. It's starting to get really smooth. You can see some of the black still showing through where I attempted to paint the black tanks ahead of time. But I'm not even worrying about that no more. I'm gonna get it all done white. Still has some little crinkles and stuff. Not crinkles, just a couple little spaces I gotta sand down. But other than that, it's looking good. It's gonna be cool when it's done. It's gonna be nice. It will be a nice one. So working on that. And that's where we're at right now at Model Rock 321. What else I got? I got the mini Arcus up there. You'll see more of that coming up in the capsule for the Saturn 1B. So we're moving along with some things here at Model Rock 321. Remember, this is the 4-engine version. I got 4 spent engines in there to keep paint from going in there. So still working on that, and it's going to keep things going. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Use discount code. Discount code is in the description. Just check very closely. You'll see Estes' website, and then the discount code is around there. IN_321. And it's Model Rock 321. And I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for stopping by.